Hey, welcome to Flat Tire Fun. Dave here. It's been a while since I've done any videos. Just wanted to update everybody. It's life, time, money, projects, family, things get in the way. I just wanted to give everybody a project update on where we are with everything. And if you're not familiar with any of these projects, I'll put links in the description, or you can just go back to my channel and check them out. Okay, so we'll start in the garage. We got the Fugazi Firehawk. I think I'm going to do a small video of like detailing under the hood and finally starting that motor, that Corvette motor. Now don't panic, these aren't the wheels that are on it. You saw the ones earlier. I only bought these because it's got almost brand new tires on it. I'm going to put those on. Today I'm getting ready to paint the rear hatch. It's just going to be a quick scuff and shoot. Some dust. Also, got to address all the it's kind of fading paint, the flaky paint up here, and I had some custom decals made up, FTF. Yeah, we'll get to that another time. Quick, we got it's not a sleeper Corvette, it's the sleeping Corvette. Needs a tune-up. I'll do a video on that real quick. Just been like yard driving it up and down the driveway and stuff, and well, things just keep happening. Here's another brake leak happened. This is just waiting on money as well. Out back here, see, here's the rims, crappy tires. We got the old Bigfoot loaded up on Clifford here. Put some clear coat on it. Made that 1995 pop. We got bigger tires on Clifford. Went with a 275/70/18. Some Coopers. Literally gave this truck like an 1.5 inch lift instantly. Well, under there's the mystery bird. Not doing much with this. Again, time and money. I just had to get it started and give it a quick drive for you guys. You know, the RZRs back there undercover, we're still riding them. OBS truck. That might be a project someday, an old Jeep. Also, on the RZR, it's pretty filthy and packed in there right now, but I put the Gilliman. I'm so sick of the noise, right? Going down the road at 30, 35. I put the Gilliman fuel saving clutch kit in it. Made a big difference in a couple of ways. Future things, we got a V8 Grand Cherokee and the inline 6 Trailblazer. Both run really good. We might do some type of video. We still got the short bed 4.8 that we brought the oil pressure up doing that burnout and blowing the tire. I think it still has a flat tire. Yeah, so it wouldn't be the Flat Tire Fun without a flat tire. We got birds, Firebirds, Camaros. Patches. The big block 496 GMC unfortunately is out of commission due to extreme rust. So bad, one day I was trying to do a quick turnaround on the driveway and the steering shaft literally broke in half from rust. This truck is just too far gone to do anything with. Only has, like I said, 129,000 on it, so I think we might put this in that short bed back there that we blew the tire on. We got more junk around here. This 91 is a manual. I think you might see that in an upcoming video. And here is the upstate New York TA Rescue. Really haven't done anything with it. Did the burnout coming out of there, and it's been sitting since. I was gonna drag race, it's too far gone to pass tech. And down here is the Firebird dash removal car. This is a possibility. Completely strip. Let's just see what a V6 will do with the drag strip. Got his twin sister over there. Wow, you guys got the life. Are you tired from yelling at me all day? Huh? And this brings us to the Transformer Camaro. Watch here, you'll see there was nothing left of this car. We finally put it out of its misery. Yeah. Again, this was just a quick update. Show everybody I'm still alive, I'm still around, I'm still making videos. I'm still gonna make videos. And update the 2 or 3 people that actually follow me, and we'll see you in the future. Have yourself a great day.